On the 15th of May 2013, we at last got news that the first consignment of JCBs had arrived from JCB India. Our new arrivals, the first two of many, make their first appearance on Malawi soils, and it's time for Team Torrent to get to work. For all of us working in the various Beehive enterprises, but particularly for those of us at Torrent Plant and Vehicle Hire, this was the day we had been really looking forward to. And a lot of preparations were taking place behind the scenes in advance of our launch. Some of the Beehive enterprises had been rehearsing songs during their lunch hour. Some had mean work suits with both the Torrent and JCB logos on them, made especially for the occasion. But what is the occasion? Let me explain. But first, let me explain the run-up to the launch. The Beehive Centre for Social Enterprise in Chilomoni is made up of over 7 enterprises. Since 2007, the Beehive has been involved in teaching people the art of tailoring as well as computing. And in mid-May, we held a fashion show to showcase our homegrown talent in the John Paul II Leadership and IT Institute. It was the kids that stole the day. The kids from our very own Mother Teresa Children's Center, the JCB Kids, if you like. But the occasion we were all really looking forward to was the unveiling of our new JCB, the 3DX Super, and of course the unveiling of a new partnership between Torrent and JCB. But first, a short mention about my workplace, Torrent Plant and Vehicle Hire.
Basically, it's a plant and vehicle hire organization. We actually hire out plants to the construction and part of the agricultural industry as well. We've been in operation from 2010, and we're basically growing at a very we're pretty much growing quickly. We hire out tippers, JCBs, rollers. Our main equipment that we actually hire out are JCBs. We've been hiring out JCBs in the past, and the reason as to why we're here is because we've got a landmark before me here. We've actually sporting the new JCB 3DX Supers. I believe they're pretty much the only JCBs 3DXs in Malawi. I can confidently say that. I don't think we've heard of anybody else that's sporting the 3DXs as of yet.
As a marketer, I know this will help much in my business. And with the aim of transforming lives in Malawi, especially here in Chilomoni, people surrounding us, this will really help us because it will really change our lives. A lot of contractors will be coming at our place, hiring a lot of this equipment. I don't think we'll have problems now of hiring the JCB by hole diggers. Ladies and gentlemen, you can just have a look at this big, beautiful machine.
We at Torrent Plant and Vehicle Hire are dedicated not only to making you happy but also in ensuring a great future for the next generation here at our very own Mother Teresa's Children's Center.
It is a center which has got a capacity of 300 children who can come here on a daily release basis. They come, some of them are orphaned, some of them will be needy children. A few of them will be sponsored by organizations, but the majority of those children are actually sponsored by Beehive as a company. That's why there are organizations within Beehive which have got to make profit.
Each time you hire a machine from us and contribute our bottom line, you are also contributing to the welfare of the kids, many of whom are orphans or from vulnerable backgrounds. But don't take my word for it. They are here to say thanks in person.
Hello, JCB. Hello, JCB. Hello, everyone. It's good to see you here.
When you hire a JCB backhaul from us, you are actually putting a child in a children's center. You are actually providing employment of a person in Chiromoni who would otherwise not have been employed. So I thank you, and I hope you understand what we stand for, and therefore you are going to support us. Supporting Beehive and supporting Torrent is supporting what we in Chiromoni are doing.